Now this one here. Right, the table shows the number of motorcycle in thousands registered each quarter from 2005 to 2008. Okay, the data is plotted on a time series graph above. The 4-point moving average, except for last two, also plotted. Calculate the last two 4-point averages and plot them on the graph. So let's do the one there. So the last two would actually be from quarter 2 2007 to quarter 1 2008, and the one before that would just be all of 2007. So I'm going to work out 2007 first. So I'm going to do 31 plus 8 plus 44.2 plus 41.8 plus 28.6. Okay. If I add them all up and then divide it by 2, I'm going to get 36.6. And for my other one, I'm going to have to do 44.2 plus 41.8 plus 28.6 plus 31.4, because it's these scores here, and divide that by 4, and I'll get 36.5. And I'll plot them on my graph. It's going to be a little bit hard because I'm using my laptop. It's like that one and then that one. Okay. Notice it says it doesn't say draw a trend line, it just says plot them. But there's nothing wrong if you want to draw a trend line, because when you get to this bit here, okay, you're asked to interpret the trend, and it just helps you out. Okay, so if I put positive correlation, okay, I'd be wrong because it's not a scatter graph. Okay, what we like to use is the word rising. Yeah, so I put rising trend. Yeah, you can put increasing. Now it says describe and interpret. Yeah, that's just describing, so I need to interpret it. So I'm going to say as the years pass, I'm going to say I'm going to run out of space, the more motorcycles are registered. And I've now written over question D. Don't ever do that in the exam because you won't get any marks for question D. Right, so I made it a bit bigger. I've drawn my trend line. Okay, write down the quarter with the greatest number of motorcycles registered each year. Now I'm actually going to use my table for that. So if I look at year 1, it's actually my greatest one's going to be 2. If I look at year 2, it's going to be 2 again. Year 3, it's going to be a quarter 2, so the answer is just quarter 2. Work out the mean seasonal variation for quarter 2. Give your answer to the nearest whole number. Okay, so your mean seasonal variation, what I need to do is I need to read out what I predicted to be for each one to see the difference from my table. So I'm going to put 05, 06, 07, I'm going to put 08 even if I don't need it. So I'm actually going to put actual value, and here I'm actually going to put from the graph, I'm going to put difference, because the difference is really my seasonal variation. So my actual value from 05 is 43.5, and then 41.4 and 44.2. I don't have anything for 08, but I'm leaving it there just in case I need to do a prediction, which I'll be honest with you, I probably will do. And from my graph, and you can have a little bit of leeway, I've got 33. For 06 season 2 I've got 35, and for 2007 I've got 36. And of course you can have a little bit of a variation in your answers because I'm just reading off a graph. Now the difference, 43.5 minus 33, 10.5, 41.4 minus 35, 6.4, 44.2 minus 36, 8.2. Now if I look at my actual graph, yeah, they're all below my actual values, so all of these should be minus numbers, and it's just something for you to think about. Now I've just got to do the average of these numbers of 10.5, 6.4 and 8.2 divided by 3, so I get minus 8.3 reoccurring as my seasonal trend. Okay. Now use your answer in part C to predict the number of motorcycles registered in quarter 2 of 2008. And it's nice because now I've got like my little graph here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read off the graph where I think it should be. So my 2008 just fits right here actually. if I read all the way across, I reckon that's 35, 36, 37. So I reckon this is actually going to be 37. Now I estimate my difference is going to be minus 8.3 recurring. So what I need to do now is I need to do 37 plus 8.3. And I reckon this one here should really be 45.3. So my answer here is 45.3. And remember it's in thousands, so you could put 45,300.